Good day once again. This video is the part 2 or the continuation of my activity. So, let's go ahead and begin. First, I will remove the label of the end devices. And then I will set the IP configuration of my end devices to DHCP to obtain the IP addresses automatically. So I will select the IP configuration and choose the DHCP. And then I will do the exact same thing also to all devices aside from the HTTP server. And after that, I will add another server, and I will connect it to the switch, the EE department, using a straight through UTP cable. And then I will put a label, the DHCP and DNS server with the IP address of 192.168.5.1. And then I will turn off the HTTP in this particular server, and I will select the DHCP, and I'm going to provide the start IP address. So I've decided that my start IP address would be 192.168.5.125, and this will not overlap the IP address of the HTTP server here. And next, I'm going to input my the IP address of this specific server here in the DNS server. So I have 192.168.5.2, and we'll save it, and I will turn it on, the service, and it will display the max number of users. So in this case, the max number of users is 131. And now I will close it, and I'm going to check if the DHCP server is now running. And as you can see, it displays requesting IP, it displays requesting IP address, and a DHCP request is successful. The PC obtained an IP address. I can say that the DHCP server is now running, and I'm going to check the other devices also. Alright, the devices got their IP addresses already. So, by means of DHCP, the end devices obtain their IP addresses automatically. So now I'm going to ping the IP address of the server from this PC, and I'm getting a reply as expected, since they already have the same network address. The device are now able to communicate. So next, I'm gonna proceed to the DNS server, and I'm going to put a domain name for the HTTP server, and I will label it www.ece.com. And now I will configure the DNS server and add the resource record here, the www.ece.com. And I will put also the IP address of the HTTP server, and that is the 192.168.5.115, and I will click add and turn on the DNS service. Now I will select this PC1, and I will select the web browser, and I will write a domain name, which is the www.ece.com, and I'm going to press the enter key, and as you can see, the web page displays this Cisco Packet Tracer, and I'm going to try it also to other PCs. Okay, so okay. And as you can see also, the web page displays this Cisco Packet Tracer, and with that I can say that the setup for the DNS server as well as the DHCP server on the network was successful. So that's all, and thank you.